My age is 20 and I'm from Mumbai city, and I study in third year BSc Computer Science. So I'm gonna share something about a workshop created by Be10x. They've created a workshop named title AI and MS, AI tools expert, where they teach us how to use number of AI tools and done your work in just 2 or 3 minutes. Uh, I literally feel very, very, very amazing while attending the workshop. I was literally shocked the way they were explaining. The explaining part was so good that I don't think anyone can explain me like that. So the tools they use like gamma, then tools like preparing presentation only in few minutes. If I was, when I was in a company, I used to prepare a PowerPoint in somewhere 15 minutes. So but this workshop will help me to prepare that presentation only in 2 minutes. Yeah, only in 2 minutes. And literally it helped me a lot. Also, like, it helped me how to like gain reports from the Excel, then how to convert image, how to imagine and create a image. So they helped me using most of the AI tools and many bonuses. So thank you B10x, thank you for this amazing workshop. It helped me a lot. So very, very much thank you. And I want all of you to please join this 10bx workshop, because it is helping me a lot and it will help you a lot. Bye.